Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you some Onshape basics, things that you need to know to get started when you come in on Tuesday. So this would be much easier to do if you can plug in a mouse to your Chromebook. Don't try to use your touchpad on your Chromebook. It is very, very difficult. So a wireless mouse is fine. A wired mouse, any cheap mouse that you can just plug into your Chromebook is what you're going to need before you get started. So do that if you don't have one, and then we'll get started. So we're going to do some Onshape basics. Because we've covered everything in technical drawings and measurement and dimensioning, we're now going to start making stuff on our computers. But you need to know the basics to do it. So here we go. It says watch the video on how to pan, rotate, and zoom. That's the video you're watching right now. So let's go ahead and open up Onshape. And you can do that by simply typing in onshape.com. And you sign in. And your username and password you should remember. If you don't, remember we filled out a username and password paper that we kept on your Google Drive in case you forget. Okay, we are going to click Create, Document, and let's call this Onshape Basics. Okay, these are your planes. The planes you want really just at the beginning, so we will hide them later. Before you can sketch and draw, you need to click on your sketch button here. This box will open up. Never close this box while you're drawing. You have to keep it open. But it says select a sketch plane. We always do the top sketch plane. So go ahead and just click the edge of the top, and that's going to place your sketch, which you can see right here on the top view. Now, since we're going to draw on this paper, we don't want to be drawing at a weird angle like this. So we're going to come over here and double click on the top of this navigation cube. Double click. And now we're looking straight down on our sketch. The top view plane we can hide. If you press P on your keyboard, that will take it away. And now we have our drawing, and we're going to draw on it. Now, before we do that, you guys need to know some basics on how to use your mouse. As you can see here, I'm zooming in and out. I'm doing that using the scroll wheel. Okay, let me show you. So if you just use your scroll wheel like this, you can zoom in and you can zoom out. Okay. The other thing that we want to do is that scroll wheel in the center of your mouse also is a button. You probably never realized that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So on my mouse here, I can press down on the scroll wheel. When I do that and I move, I can pan. So right now I'm panning left and right, or I can pan up and down. Okay, that's what you can do if you need to shift something over to left or right. And again, you do that by pressing down on the scroll wheel and holding it down. The other one you want to do is to hold down the right click button. If you hold down the right click button, you can rotate. Okay, and just to show you what that looks like. So right click is this here, and when I do that, I can rotate. Okay? All right, those are some of the basic moves. Hope that helped. Look at the next video for what we're going to do next.